Hey everybody, happy holidays. If you're anything like me, it's not just the food, it's the booze that I enjoyed in the holidays. Tonight I'm asking, what are y'all running this holiday season?
This holiday season, we got a chance to try a couple new Christmas beers we haven't had. The Anderson Winter Solstice is my favorite of the group. A surprise is the Anchor Steam. It's actually pretty good. Least favorite was the Office Party. A little too many cloves for me. It's like Jägermeister beer. We prefer something called Home for the Holidays, and that's pretty much a mixed drink. Mommy likes a hot cider. We start off with cider if we can't find it, something at least that's 100% apple juice, unfiltered preferably. You put a teaspoon of brown sugar in there, a little dustin with some pumpkin spice. Throw it in the microwave for about a minute. Once it's all nice and warm, introduce it to the star, Corbel. You can tell by the amount left in our bottle, we're pretty much snowed in here. Raddad Cooks, he likes something a little thicker. He likes that eggnog. For eggnog, start off with a pint glass. We're going to fill it with ice. We want 30% ice. It's like going to the boba tea joint. You got to get the ice levels just right. Screw the whole thing up. Now we're going to flood the rocks. Take that brandy all the way up to the top of those rocks. Next, we're going to add our eggnog. We want a nice sturdy eggnog for this. No low-fat BS, no almond milk, holiday eggnog. It's not a health food. Fill it just about up to the top with that nog. Leave enough room so you can give it a little dusting without getting it on the counter and stir it without spilling it all over the place. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what we're running. And I hope you families have a great holiday and a happy new year. Let us know down in the comments what y'all are running. Thank you so much for coming by and spending a little bit of your holiday time with us. Looking forward to a bright, prosperous, and happy 2021. I hope to see you all there. Merry Christmas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.